Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to move from one page to another page or how to switch from one page to another page in React.js. So for that, we will use a very famous package which is React Router DOM. So first of all, we will open our React project in VS Code. So as you see, I already opened my React project in Visual Studio Code. Now I will go to my terminal in VS Code and install the very famous package which is React Router DOM by using npm. Okay, I will write command here. So this is the command npm install React Router DOM, and I will wait for 5 to 10 seconds. So my package is installed successfully. So after that, I will create two dummy pages to check or test the navigation part. So for that is I will create a page for home page, for example, and the second one is about page. So first of all, I will create a page, dummy page. So in this file, I will create a simple component with a simple title. This is my home page, and this is my second page. Just give it a title, about page. After that, I will create a router file where all our routing happen. So for that, I will wrap my main file, which is app.js file, inside a special feature which will give by that package. Okay, so for that, I will go to our main file, which is indexed JS file before the app.js. So here I will import the browser router. That is the feature from that package, something from React Router DOM. Okay, so that feature called browser router, and after that I will wrap my app file inside this browser router. So this will help us and enable us to use the routing features of this package. So this is our very first step. I will wrap it properly. So now after that, I will create a routing file. So for example, that file name I will set app router. So here in this file, I will use the second and main two features for routing. That the first one is routes and the second one is route. Okay, so first of all, our main component here is from that is routes. Okay, I will import automatically, and after that inside it I will create a singular routes. Okay, so this is the second feature, which is route, and I install or imported it automatically. Okay, and simple here I will use a attribute which is path. So here I will give it a path, like for example for home page I will use /, and here the second attribute, which is element. Inside the element I will simple give it my component to where it go in this route. So for example, for the / I will use a home page, so that's why I will give it home page, and we will do same thing with about page. Okay, and we imported this automatically, and now we will change the path. For about, we will set it to about. Okay, / about, and after that we will import this file inside our app.js file. Okay, app router, I will save it, and after that I will run my project locally by using npm start. Now I will wait for 5 to 10 seconds to run it properly. So our local host will run successfully. So I will check it on Chrome. Okay, so here you see on the / or by default route, which is /, our route is now on home page. And if we will go to about, our route go to about page. And now you thought why a user manually just change the route and go to another page. So for that we will create a simple navbar, simple navbar. Okay, so here I just write a simple list. Okay, and use another feature of React Router DOM in here. So inside it I will create a simple list for home. First of all, I import something from that feature, from that package, which is link. Okay, so it imported automatically, and inside it I will write the simple home, and inside this I will use a very famous attribute, which is to. Inside this attribute I will write a route. For home it is /, and we will do the same thing with about. Okay, and here I will change the route about, and here I will change it to about. Okay, now I save it and open my Chrome. Oh, first of all, we import this inside our main file, which is app router, above the routes, not inside the routes. Okay, so for that I just simple create this JSX, wrap this inside it, and above the routes I will import that navbar. Okay, now I will okay, so there's some error. Okay, so here it is, small b, not capital B. Now I check my localhost. Okay, now if I click to home, it will let us to home page. If I click to about, it will route us to about page. Okay, so thank you so much. This is all about, you need to know about how to move or navigate from one page to another page by using React Router DOM. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Take care.